as well. On the wall, we got some bats there as well. And our light display as you go up. Our living room, as you can see in the background, this is our DIY arts and creation. Pumpkin over there, more bat, and a ghost and the mask. Put it all together, and we reuse this as well from the previous DIY that we had. And here's another one in there as well. And over here, the straw that we use, we'll put it there as well. And my daughter tissue roll. And the one we put it on top is our reuse banner from last year. As we go over here, we reuse this one as well, the banner that we used from last year. And we have our mask and bat as well as another option for decoration. We're using the string. So that's it now, how it looks like. And more bat in there that we made. And this is the lantern as well, small version and bigger version. More DIY paper plate pumpkin, the ghost, the bat. This is the piano area for my kids. Here also is the finger puppet we made. We removed the straw and we just display it like this. And the hanging lantern as well. We put the string and we hang it up. Same on the opposite side. Add-on decorations. And this one, we put it here on top of the telly, and we revise. We put some dried leaves in different shapes and colors as their hair. Here are some of our varieties, sweets and chocolates and cupcakes. If ever will someone knock on our door, so we have a standby if someone will knock on the door. So this is now how it looks like our living room with our DIY arts and creation for Halloween. watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.